Hey y'all, I get requests from time to time to review items. If it's something that I don't use or I'm not interested in, I thank them but decline. I can't see getting on here and pretending to like something that I don't like or don't use. It's just not my style. So I was approached just a little while ago by a company named Taotronics and asked if I'd be interested in reviewing one of their products. Well, this lamp right here, I've been using this Taotronics lamp right here for a couple of years. What I like about it, it's easy to use. I can change the color. I can change the intensity very quickly. Off, on, color, up. I mean, it's a nice lamp. So when I found out they had something that might solve one of my problems in close-up photography or some videoing, I thought, sure, I'd love to look at it. It might be something that'll help me out. So here it is. It's a LED stand light. I think they call it a selfie light because you put it on a stand and take pictures of yourself. So let's open it up, see what's in here. Okay, first thing I notice, it's good packaging. They give you a tripod, instructions, registration card. So we got our light ring. It's like a phone holder, a remote to control the light, and it looks like you can control the camera as well, or the phone, and another phone or camera holder. Okay, that's all that's in the box. So we can set this aside. Let's see how this tripod's. All right. So they give you a carrying case for your tripod, which can be helpful if you're moving around it. I know from experience carrying things around and having to make 2 or 3 trips because you don't have enough hands. It's always helpful if you have something to carry your stuff in. So I guess you put it in there, hang that over your shoulder, go to town. All right. And seems to be, it's made out of plastic and aluminum. Got a mount, you could mount a regular camera up here if you wanted to. All right, there's that. Let's get everything else out of here and see what we need to create some stuff. So this looks, okay. One of the mounts, this appears to mount, I would guess, I'm supposed to read instructions, but I'm a man. We have to attempt to do anything without looking at instructions first. Okay. This is going to clamp around the neck or the riser of your tripod. Looks like it's pretty simple. Just snap that open. Open this up like so. Bring it around the neck. We can do it right now. Put that on the neck. Bring that around here. Clamp it back down. Lock it. We're good to go. And this is spring loaded, so whatever you place in here, it's going to automatically tighten it back up. All right, we got that on. We have additional holder. And this would be a top mount. If you had a standard, let's say a camera that had the mount on it, you would use this right here. But since we're going to use a phone, we'll remove this, replace it with the provided stand and holder. Screw it down in there. Actually, here we go. We need to go from the back. There's a recessed portion in here that fits this perfectly. We can access this, the threads there. Actually, that's not the way that works. So we do need to look at some instructions. Shame, shame, shame. Okay, we'll come back to that. Got a remote. Let's see if the batteries are included. I assume that pops right off there. Okay, there we go. Batteries are included and are installed. Let's make sure there's no tape on the other side keeping it from working. Okay, this was ready to go. Place it back in. Okay, we'll have to look and see what we need to do to connect these to our devices. All right, get my bags out of the way. And the light itself. Move a little twist clip, twist wire. Okay. It's a ring light. It's got a controller that allows us to turn it on and off. Looks like increase the intensity, and we've got another one here to change the color of the light. So, rather than you watch me read instructions, I'm going to glance at these real quick so we can get something going on and get it done. Okay, back, pan the camera back just a little bit, give us a little bit more room to set this up. But first, let me just quickly say what we have here after looking at the instructions. This is a ring light, like we talked about. It's 24 watts. It gives you 10 levels of brightness and 4 color choices. I believe the colors range between 2700 and 6500 Kelvin, basically from yellow to blue. And it can be controlled by this, or you can control it by the remote. Now in my video, I'm not going to be able to control it by the remote because I'm using the device that I need this for. So there is, my understanding is Android and iOS apps for this. So if you find that convenient, load those on it and use it. And the tripod will go up to 7-8 inches and will, I believe, hold up to 10 kilograms. So we don't need nearly that much. So quick setup. If I'd read the instructions, been on done with this already. But I'm a hard-headed man. Got to try to figure things out the hard way. Okay. Basically, we're going to use this as it is. You screw just got little mount points here and here. We're going to mount the light ring like so. Then we're going to take our camera mount and mount it up here. And it's a basic ball and socket tightener, so you get in the position that you want and tighten it down. Same with this, we've got to lock everything down so it doesn't move on us. That's locked. That's locked. There we go. Now, the one thing that you will need to operate this is a way it needs USB power. So you're going to have to connect this to a computer, or what I like to use is one of these portable batteries. You know, you can charge your cell phone up with these or power something like this. So this may be something that Taotronics wants to consider offering with this package, because you'd be done. I mean, if you had this, you wouldn't need anything else. So we're going to power it up. Hit this one time to turn it on. There we go. Change the color. Let's see. That's as close to natural light as we're going to get right there. And you can change the intensity. All right. So, what we need to do, or what I need to do, is have this replace the lighting that I've been doing to show you a difference in effect and lighting, and also use this to do some captures of maybe some things I'm working on or things that I've had difficulty photographing to show people. So let's get that set up. Okay, now we're set up, and this is exactly how I would use it. I've got the tripod supporting the light, and for my particular situation, I'm using an additional tripod to support my phone and audio device. But as you saw, this, for your particular application, if you're just letting your phone do everything, you could set that all up together and you'd be finished. So you see the light, but I've still got other lights on. I've got daylight coming through the window. I've got this desk lamp and the overhead. So let's turn off the desk lamp and see how things look. Now, this light right now is, because I'm further away than I think I should be for demonstrating things, it's about 6 or 7 feet away. So ideally, you would want to be, maybe we're still in the picture, you'd want to be in this area for being illuminated. So let's turn off the overhead lights. Now, we just have the filtered light coming through the window and the ring light. Now, again, this is about 7 feet away. If you were doing a discussion with somebody, or, you know, the intent of this light is to probably be, I'm guessing, in this area right here. Let me take my glasses off so we don't have that ring in there. But it would be something like this. And you would probably want to be using additional light if it was available. So of course, you saw how much better lit it was with the other lights on. I may use those, at least something to illuminate overhead. But for close-up product shots and things like this, this thing here is really, really nice and convenient. So I'm planning on putting this thing here to use. Let me show the difference in trying to get some pictures of things using this and trying to do like with a flash or get other lights involved. That's where I have a real difficult time. Okay, here's a couple of examples of things I've had to photograph lately. A couple of projects, and just to show a difference something like this can make, help you even out your lighting. Just something, you know, really, really simple. Here it is with a standard, you know, just lighting on the desktop, trying to get the best angle to photograph it. And here it is with a ring light. It just evens everything up. Okay, here's an example of trying to show the difference between a satin black and chrome. And of course the chrome is going to reflect whatever is around it. With the ring light here, I can get a little bit more detail. Let me cut the other one off. Now we're just on our ring light. Just gives me so many more options, and it's all in close right here. Well, that's our Taotronics 12-inch ring light with tripod and remote and 2 holders. One correction I need to make. I did say that it's a 5 color light. It's not. It's 3. I might have been confusing it with my other light. But I'm planning on putting this thing to use. It's real convenient. I have lots of things that I do that I need to photograph and send to people that can be difficult to light in a tight area, and this I think is going to be the key to helping me achieve that. A couple reasons why I would recommend this light to somebody that's thinking about it is it's pretty versatile, it's very light, and it's easily powered. The other thing is I've had one of their lights. I've had this desk lamp that I've been using for a couple years. Before I knew anything about this company, I'd done my research, and a lot of people recommended this Taotronics lamp, and I said, oh, I'll give it a shot. Love it. I can get whatever color I want, intensity I want. It's never failed me, and I use it in all of my craft and gunsmithing work here. So that is it in a nutshell. I think this is a pretty good product. If you think you're interested in it, I will put a link in the description for ease of ordering. And as usual, good luck with your projects.